Ryobi has done it again. This time they're coming out with the 18 1 Plus multi-size ratchet. Why does it matter that it's multi-size? Well, that gives you versatility. Now, this does have 35 foot-pounds of torque. And that's just like the other ones, but the reason why this is so important is because it can do 1/2 inch, 3/8, or 1/4 inch drive for all of your sockets and different things like that. Now, why is that important? Because you need that versatility, and you're not going to have 3 different ratchet wrenches sitting around. You're going to have that one specific tool. Now, in the 1/2 inch anvil, you actually have a hex head in there too, so you can drive fasteners if you're doing woodwork, PH2s, things like that. You know, your little Phillips bits. Let me get my words right here. And that's going to allow you to do different things. Now, if we're going to talk about driving fasteners into wood, you probably want to look at the right angle drill because you're going to get into those tight spaces. If you look at the right angle drill, that boasts 320 inch-pounds of torque. Now, if we convert the 35 foot-pounds of torque, that is 420 inch-pounds of torque, so you are getting more torque, but you're going to be able to ratchet that in there, get a little bit more power, so I think you're going to like it. Now, this is a toolless change as well, so you're going to be able to change out these anvils, don't lose them, and it's going to be pretty easy to do that. Now, this is going to be available, I think they said in the fall time frame, I'm not really sure. But if you get the kit, it's going to cost you $159. You're going to get a 1.5 hour lithium battery with that. And if you just get the tool, it's going to cost you $119. Now on to the bigger thing, or at least the bigger thing that I've been anticipating for a very long time. That is the 18 1 Plus 1600 peak amp jump starter. So we're going to be able to use our Ryobi batteries and use this jump starter. I'm going to go ahead and get into the pricing on this one. If you want the tool only, it's going to cost you $179. If you want the kit with a 2 amp hour battery, lithium battery, it's going to cost you $199. Do I think that's a hard deal? Well, I think if you're going to compare it, it may seem a little expensive, but if you're going to be able to use your batteries, that is extremely important to be able to use your Ryobi batteries because you can switch batteries out and you don't have to worry about charging the thing. The batteries are separate, and I think just for that, it is important. Now, you're going to be able to jumpstart an engine, a big old V8 engine. For all you LS lovers out there, 6.0 V8 engine. You can do all those smaller engines too, but for those big engines, I think that's really important for a truck. Now, it does have a work light that you're going to be able to use there too. So in case all those dark spaces, in case you're out in the middle of the night, because that's when all the stuff happens, in the middle of the night. It also has 800 cold crank amps. That's nothing to shy away from. That is actually a pretty strong jump starter. Now, it's got a nice battery cover on there as well, so just in case you're in the rain, they got you covered. Pun intended, maybe. And with all that being said, Ryobi is jumping into the automotive world just a little bit more. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see these tools actually hit the shelves, and I believe this one's going to be here in fall. And until next time, everybody, take care, and I can't wait to talk to you in the next video. See ya!